Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to get Google Play Store discount on your Free Fire game. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Free Fire app, then tap on the diamond icon that appears on the top of your screen. As you can see, you are led to the top up option where you have been given diamonds and their prices. So basically, if you try to purchase any of these and you've already made a purchase from your Google Play Store in your Free Fire app, then you do not get the Google Play Store discount. So to get the Google Play Store discount, make sure that you're logged in with a new account where you haven't made a purchase in Free Fire. So if you've already added a credit or debit card information and you have not made a purchase on Free Fire app, then you might get a discount offer from the Google Play Store. But if you've already made a purchase and you still want the Google Play Store discount, then what you might want to do is unlink your Google Play account from your Free Fire and then link a new account to this game. So basically, to unlink, what you're going to do is you're going to go back, open your Play Store, tap on the profile icon, tap on your name, and then you can see the manage accounts on this device option. You tap on it, you'll be led on to this page. Now tap on Google. After that, you can see all the accounts that are currently on your phone. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove the account that you've currently associated your Free Fire with. So you tap on the account that you want to remove or that is currently linked with your Free Fire account. So you tap on it, and then at the bottom of your screen you can see the three dotted icon. You tap on it and tap on remove account. After that, your account will be removed from your Play Store, and then to create a new Gmail account, you simply go to your Play Store again, tap on the profile icon. But if you've already removed this account, then it will show the sign in button on which it will show this same interface, and then go ahead and tap on create account. Tap on for my personal use and go ahead and create your Google account. After you've created your Google account, make sure that you're logged into your Play Store using this Google account. Now you go ahead and then open Free Fire again. Now make sure that this account is logged in. Now again, tap on the bundle that you'd like to purchase. Now notice that when you tap on this bundle that you'd like to purchase, you'll see that Google Play Store will offer you a discount. That is, if you're purchasing something of 30 rupees, then it might be reduced to 10 rupees using the Google Play Store discount. After that, you'll be required to enter the new Google account's password. After that, you will be required to enter your redeem code and then tap on confirm. After that, your payment will be successful and you'll have successfully gained the Google Play Store discount. However, if you've just created this account, then it might take a while for you to obtain the Google Play Store discount. So keeping that in mind, make sure that you wait a while before trying to apply for the top up in Free Fire. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions still, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.